We are children of sacrifice. We have severed norms to burn these words on the skin folds of time. We have bruised and shed our limbs like leaves in this eternal autumn. We have broken the heart to anchor this heart. For this work, we have spent days in the mocking sun and made love with pens to the night until the morning comes. We have killed pieces of ourselves, and in these pages, morning comes. For this work, we have turned our margins to lifelines. We have undressed our soul to leave life exposed, its love expand and grow, abstract and glow, and these money trees may touch the sky, but they've forgotten the ground they stand on. We were born dancing with the sky. We learned how to paint our dreams with art. The gods call on us when the heavens are falling apart. We built the heavens and we played hide and seek with gods who never looked for us. We were dead geese playing duck, duck with kids who poured poison in our dreams. And our mothers let them torture us. And with words, they skinned us. They threw us on the ground like doormats and they walked on us. And these adults sent us to sleep, screaming sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can never hurt me. I hated that fucking song. Cause they never just threw sticks and stones, but they threw words. They never just threw sticks and stones. They called us weirdos and creeps, retards and roaches for being artists. And the worst is, we barely knew what art is, but we kept fighting. We took blows and blows in silence, but we kept writing. We forced our names on the sunset, so when the sun sets, the cliffs could read our stories from the stars, and they could bless us with shadows where we could hide. We called and prayed for peace and silence. We prayed, and we became bigger, and this war grew with us. Now we are fighting the standards and the systems. We are fighting the sounds they put in the magazines. We are fighting the definition of what perfect an artist is. We are fighting ourselves and our families. Fuck sticks and stones. Protect me from words, psychological and